Cello, everybody! Welcome back. This is Stockin' Bodies 94.
Stacking. You're staking bodies. You're not
Stocking the
stalking
bodies.
bodies. You're staking.
Stacking.
You
Not
put one on
stalking.
top of the other.
Here I am, not doing much stacking either. Just genning it up. Genning it up. Not about being the killer.
Yeah, we only play survivors. By the way, it's Mamber coming in hot.
Coming in.
Live. Coming in live.
Coming in fresh with some fresh fruit from Brazil.
Yeah. Minus coronavirus. Has that even reached Brazil? Probably not, because it's too warm, right?
I don't know.
Yeah, I'm stupid. It's too warm over there.
Why you gotta be so stupid, Tony?
I gotta be so stupid, Tony.
Why'd you gotta do this to me? You hurt my heart. You're breaking my heart, Tony.
You're breaking my heart. What about the mama?
Oh, it's a
Chainsaw boy?
boy with chain.
Boy with chain. Got it. Oh, wow. That's not a good start to the game, Philip88.
Lot to go.
They must have spawned like right by him. Otherwise, he was being super loud.
Nah, he's super fast. He can come across that map so quick.
Not really. There's too much crap in the way. In that cold wind one or whatever, the farm can. Cause he can just jump off the excavator and just fly.
True.
Who's he chasing now?
Probably me.
Oh, Philip88 got off. Oh, he is chasing you.
But I'm smarter than him.
Maybe. I mean, we'll see. I don't know where he went either. He like disappeared into the darkness.
Well, he came upstairs to get me, and I was long
gone. There
gone.
He is. There he is. He's coming right there.
What a fiery boy. He's on fire.
Ha! Got you, you loser.
Man, I popped.
Woo! He got me.
He got you.
That was really loud too. I did that woo really loud.
It's okay. Woo! It's okay.
No, it was really loud. Glad nobody's sleeping. You know what today is a great day for?
Woo!
Pie.
I had apple pie today. Alright, I'm almost on my gen. I'm sorry. Is someone there yet?
Yeah. Oh my god, they use so much. Are you gonna heal me? Okay, I guess you're just gonna look there. You stupid idiot. It's fine. Freaking Jack.
Oh, there is a totem right there. Not sure what my obsession is with totems. I really like
extra points, bud.
It's true. Wow.
Fuck! I got stuck. Aboosh! Aboosh got me.
Baboosha!
Baboosh, that's bullshit. It got me. It wouldn't let me go.
Fuck, I hear him, but I don't see him.
Hey, when was the last time you had chocolate milk?
Probably like a week ago, 2 weeks ago.
Are you
Drink-
serious?
I drink chalky milk all the time.
Dude, I just had some chocolate milk earlier.
Dude, I fucking love chalky milk.
Dude, I love chocolate milk too. Yeah, you better heal me all the way.
It's awfully slow with her. I don't have, It'd be better if you're actually hooked for me, to be honest. So I'm not sure if we should
know
do
what?
this, Jen. Let's
Yeah,
go to
no,
a different one.
We'll go somewhere else. And crouch. He's going straight towards you, bud.
I know he is.
I'm gonna go get this dummy.
Fuck you, boy.
Come downstairs, yes. Oh, yes, yes. Come down here, Nancy, yes.
Babushka.
I'm down in the basement, by the way.
Oh, okay. I'm being chased.
I almost missed that skill check. That would have been so bad. Ow! Stop.
He's still chasing me?
Did you go in the basement?
Uh-huh.
Cool. Go back to where that generator.
Oh my god! This is the longest chase of my life, dude. I'm so scared right now.
Oh, you should have went the other way.
Dude, he's been chasing.
Oh, I stunned him. I stunned him.
Good. Oh my god,
I'm
he's been
exhausted.
chasing me for like 2 minutes.
I got you.
3
I got
minutes.
you.
Oh, I need help. Oh, I need help.
I have a med kit.
No, I got someone else. Dude, why do you... I'm going down.
Hey, I tried, and I
It's
got
okay.
my hat on, so like.
I just looped him for like an hour. That was embarrassing for him. He's so mad. He's not gonna leave me. There's no way.
He's going after Nancy. Where's our other teammate? Why aren't they working on generators? What the fudge?
I don't know, but this person's done. One person's working on a gen. Why would
Yeah.
you do that?
Me, I'm working on a gen. Run away. Just let him get hooked. I have a med kit. Do you want me to heal you?
I need to get away first.
Is that Philip guy by you too? Here, take my med kit.
No, just
That
come
guy's
heal
on
me.
the hook. I guess he's gonna die. Sorry, Rich Piggy. This is how team players work, okay?
I guess I have self-care. Go get them.
No, it's okay.
Oh yeah, they're both down.
Now we go get him.
This is a bad idea.
You know what? I don't care. I still got my archive. Just going straight
I'll save.
for it.
I'll save. Let me save him off the hook. He gave up.
Go get that person on the floor. He's gonna hook me. Run. Faster.
I'm trying.
He's going back to check on him.
I see that.
Yeah, I was gonna say you're gonna run right past me.
Come downstairs.
Fuck out of here.
Come here.
Oh, shoot. Just
Fuck.
leave. Go open a door. Oh, he's gonna leave me. He's gonna go get you. Can you fall in that hole and get me?
I can try. He got me. He don't like me. That other girl's doing the door right now, so that's good. No, they're healing themselves. Never mind. So they're done. Because he's got barbecue and chili on, so he definitely sees him. Yeah, done. It's obvious that he's running it.
Man!
Oh well. Oh well. Boom. You can't win them all.
He dropped me so he could close the hatch. What a dick.
He should have given it to you. Jake from State Farm. Oh man. Did you get away?
Yeah, I don't know what he did.
I think he's gonna give you the door.
No, he's
No?
not.
Oh.